Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Microsoft Loop organizes content into flexible pages and components for team collaboration. Start by signing in with your Microsoft 365 account and open Loop from the app launcher. Create a new Loop workspace and a page to start building shared content. Name the workspace to reflect your project and invite teammates by email to add them quickly. Use pages to structure ideas and components to embed tasks or lists that sync across apps. This setup prepares you to create live, collaborative content that updates everywhere it appears. Insert components like task lists, tables, and checklists directly into your page. Click the plus icon or type / to choose a component and customize its fields. Assign tasks by adding assignees, due dates, and priority labels inside components to track ownership. Use it mentions to notify teammates and add comments for context when you need discussion. Copy a component to Teams or Outlook, and it stays synced across apps so updates propagate instantly. Rely on components to keep work consistent and reduce duplicated information across conversations. Group related pages into workspaces and pin key pages for quick access. Create sections inside pages to break large topics into manageable parts with headings. Control access with viewer or editor roles and manage workspace membership from the Workspace Settings panel. Use search, filters, and tags to find pages and components quickly when projects grow. Export page content or copy links to share context outside Loop while preserving live component sync when shared into supported apps. Regularly review workspace permissions to keep collaboration secure and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.